Hello and welcome to another beehiiv feature update video. In this video we're going to cover enhancements we've made to our very powerful polls feature. So the first update we've made, or the first batch of updates we made, I should say, have to do with the visualization of polls. So if I jump into this NPS survey that I created and go to edit, you can see right now that it's horizontal. That's the first change that we made. You can choose to have your poll be horizontal or vertical. If you choose vertical, we also have three new ways that you can visualize the results. So you can have numbers next to them, you can have obviously the existing disk, or you can select none. And what this will do is basically take that away. So those are four different ways in which you can style your list for this purpose. For this NPS survey, we want it horizontal so it shows in this nice line. And that kind of covers the visual updates we've made. So moving to existing polls, so just to remind everyone, once you create a poll and you deploy it and it's live, it can't be edited so that there's no problems with integrity of the results. But if I go into one of these existing polls, you'll see that we have a much bigger screen now in terms of being able to share the results across all posts in which a poll appeared. In this case, it's only one post, but if you use the same poll, for example, an NPS survey across multiple emails, you'd be able to see where they appeared in and the aggregate results here. To remind you, in the past, or when we launched this, the results were restricted to on a per post basis. So in order to see the results, you'd only be able to see the results of a single email. And in this case, you'll now be able to see the results over 5, 10, 15, however many emails. So along with the results, we have the options to do two things. Export your results, which will export the subscriber's email, their selection in the poll, any qualitative feedback they left, their subscriber ID, and the time in which they made their selection. And then we also have this Save Results. So with the Save Results feature, you click this and it copies some text to your clipboard. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on Twitter. You could come to Twitter, and if you hit paste, it's going to have the question and then the visualization of these answers with these blocks, the number of votes, the choice, and the number of total votes. And makes it super easy to share across social media. Alternatively, you could also download and export the results of a poll and run that through any kind of visualization software to create custom images or custom graphics to be shared within a future newsletter or on social media in a more visually rich way. These are all the updates, and I appreciate your time in covering them. We look forward to seeing what you create and the insights that you're able to derive from this very powerful polls tool that we have. And just as a reminder, our polls are actually available on our Grow plan. So if you're currently on the launch plan, this may be a really great reason to upgrade. Polls can provide feedback that can be really useful for content creation, as well as feedback on your audience's engagement with your newsletter. When users click on the polls, it provides valuable signals to email service providers showing that you're engaging with the content, which will help move your email into more and more kind of valuable or useful inboxes. If you're having issues going to promotions or something like that, this improves your chances of landing in the main inbox. So if you're interested, upgrade to the Grow plan and start using polls today. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.